They took matters into their own hands. They took control of their podcast to be able to get their podcast in front of more people. So I want you to take a page out of my book and some of our clients' books and basically take control of some of the marketing, because once you hit the top 1%, once you're in that 3,000-ish downloads per episode, you have a better chance of getting in front of a lot more people so that you can be found even without your marketing efforts. And all I mean by this is you got to kind of blitz it in the beginning, and then you can kind of let the platforms help you grow. It's not that I want you to stop marketing. I want you to always market. I want you to always be working and growing. But it's interesting. Once you hit that top 1%, it starts to spike. And the Pareto Principle really takes off. And you get in the top 0.5%, like a lot of our clients. Now you're in the top 0.5%. And instead of just doubling the listeners from 3,000 to 6,000, for example, now you're getting 10,000, 13,000, 20,000, because it's an exponential curve. It's a bell curve. Every time you move a little to the right, you move way to the vertical up. I always tell my kids it's elevated. We live in Colorado, and so we're on the playground, and the kids are like, "Hey, Dad, look how high I am!" And I'm like, "We're in Colorado. You're not allowed to say that you're high. Well, let's say we're elevated." And I want your podcast to be elevated. I want your podcast to be in front of more people, and so I want you to consider, what is a good podcast audience size? The answer is 300 is the minimum. If you have anything less than 300, you're probably not doing good. The next threshold is top 1%, which is about 3,000 downloads per episode. Take that, run with it, do what you can to grow your podcast audience. And if Grow Your Show can help you, reach out to me, schedule a call, and let's do a free discovery call where we talk about growing your audience.